Hi, I hope you're well. It's Jojo here. Let's practice today a simple warrior 2 flow, working on the intention of proper alignment. We really want to make sure we're protecting our knees when we work through some of these standing poses, and that our feet are aligned to encourage that. So join me on your mat and let's take a seat with our right knee extended out to the side and the right foot to the side of us, left shin on the mat in front of us. So the right hip is in internal rotation, and just start by gently twisting to the left and to the right. And fold into the space in front of you, breathing into the left hip here. Take as much time as you need when you fold into these stretches. Simply press pause and take it at your own pace. Gentle twist. Neck is neutral. Crown of the head always reaching up. Fold forward. Let's bring our feet out in front of us into a seated butterfly. Take a big breath in and reach forward for the tops of the feet and fold down and in towards the midline. Breathing, tucking the chin, letting go. And then kick the legs behind you and come to face the short side of the mat here. Take a gentle stretch into the backs of the feet by pressing to the tops of the feet and lifting the knees up. And then come onto the toes if it's available to you. And simply stretch the toes. We don't often stretch the toes, but we use the feet and the toes a lot. Come out of that and into neutral tabletop. And take your rounds of cat-cow, rounding through and arching the spine to create a little space between the vertebrae to release any compression. You can be very dynamic about this as well. Cat pose and cow pose. The gaze just follows, so the neck is always just a neutral extension of the spine, but stretch through the shoulders here, so much so that you can actually feel space underneath the shoulder blades. And then come back to a nice neutral position. Drop your hips back and release the tension here as you find Balasana. Open up through the scapula. Find a little more space on the mat if you want to. See if you can get a nice release through the shoulders. Coming on back. Extend your right leg long and drop the right foot on the mat in front of you. Coming into a simple low lunge. Take a breath here and tuck the left toes as you lift up and find high lunge. In high lunge, your back leg is straight, the feet are parallel and the heel is lifted off the ground. The right leg, the right knee and the right leg is bent, tracking nicely over the ankle. Reach up, find crescent lunge, building strength in the quads and reaching. Let's take a nice humble bow here as we clasp our hands behind us and fold into the space. Coming on up. Now drop the back foot so that the foot comes into a 45-degree angle. Look at your feet and maybe adjust the front heel to come into the alignment of the back arch. So heel to arch alignment here. For warrior 2, so a good at least 3 feet of space between your feet. Shoulders stacking over the hips. Check that you're not reaching, that you're trying to sort of stay centered as you let your gaze come over the fingertips. Breathe here. Strong warrior two. Let the right hand drop down to the earth as you let the left shoulder stack above you. Coming back to warrior two. Release the hands and straighten the right leg. Draw the right foot a little wider on the mat. Adjust your back foot here. So let that back foot come into a nice comfortable 45 degrees and maybe move a bit more space between the legs so that you can comfortably draw the hips forward, lift the quads and fold forward to pyramid pose, Parsvottanasana, breathing into the back of the right leg. And come on up. Bend into the right leg and step forward to mountain pose, Tadasana. Reach all the way up with the breath. Exhale, full forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift, flat back. Hands come to the mat. Bend the knees, let the chest fall onto the tops of the thighs as you reach the arms back. Foot chair pose, Utkatasana. Building a little heat in the thighs. Drop the hands, lift the seat and roll all the way up. Nice mountain pose, the tailbone is tucked. The shoulders are up and back. Step back now with your right foot. So we take this warrior sequence on the other side. We're coming into high lunge first. So step back. Both feet are parallel. The back heel is lifted. Sink down now. Engage the right quads, the right glutes engaged. And let the hips come down. Reach up. Crescent lunge. Reach up again. Now remember, we're dropping the back foot onto the mat, so let it come to a 45-degree angle. Your front heel is in line with the back foot arch, so heel to arch for warrior two. Deep bend in that left knee, left leg is bent. Open up. Gaze is forward, shoulders stack, warrior two. Reach forward, let that left hand come down as the right arm comes up to the sky. Come on back. Relax the arms and straighten the legs. Bring the left foot wide on the mat. You need a little more space between your legs here because we're going to hinge with our hips and fold forward, so we need that space. The back foot is again at 45 degrees, the left foot is as far out on the mat as possible. Straighten the legs here, engage and lift the quads and fold forward, hinging from the hips. Lifting up, bring your feet to the front of the mat. You're doing great. It's a great stretch, this. Tap the hips to remind you that you are going to be folding and hinging from your hips. Your feet are parallel. Lift the quads and simply fold forward here. Moving, if you like, through the hips. Rolling up vertebra by vertebra. Heel toe your feet together. Roll the shoulders and step forward. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, full forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, hands come to the mat. Step or hop backwards and come forward for plank pose. Drop your knees, keep your elbows in towards your ribs as you come down to the mat. Take baby cobra and release. Now taking full cobra. Push all the way back, balasana. going to rest my head on my hands. Breathing here. And then come to a seat. Bring your feet around in front of you and lower yourself down onto your mat. Take a nice big breath in. We're going to take bridge pose from here, drawing our heels in towards our seat, everything in hip distance alignment as we lift up, engage the glutes, reach for the heels or clasp the hands together, keeping everything lovely and engaged. Check that your knees aren't splaying out. Spaces between your chin and your chest, lifting and releasing. From here, find your spine supported on the mat and just take some nice windshield wiping stretches through, releasing the lower spine. So sometimes we get that compression, that sciatica, compression of the nerves. Draw your knees up in towards your center line as you take happy baby or a version of happy baby. I'm just going to rock from side to side. Squeeze in, give yourselves a nice juicy hug. You deserve it. Rolling up onto your mat. Come back to meet me where we started in a seat. And I hope you enjoyed this little session of Warrior 2 and making sure that when we practice that we're always aware of our feet and our knees. Namaste, guys. I'll see you soon.